In this video, I'll be showing you how to find out how much time you've saved with TextBlaze. Inside your dashboard, click on the account icon and usage. This will take you to the analytics page where you can see how many snippets you've used and an estimate of the time you've saved with TextBlaze based on the average typing speed. You can also change the typing speed for a more accurate reading, and this will update your time saved estimate accordingly. This graph shows your weekly snippets used and your top snippets in the past week. Make sure you check out your time savings in the dashboard. And if you want to get even more out of TextBlaze, visit our community where you can get help, ask questions, and find cool snippets shared by other users.